I know you've gotten an early morning text that says good morning, but have you ever got one that said, "Are you cooking breakfast?" You know, that's a low key invitation. So I tried to play it off like, of course, I cook all the time, running downstairs to try to see what I had in the cabinet to try to throw something together real quick to be all cute and sexy and nonchalant. Woo! That wore me out. But everything came out good. All I had was some eggs, a can of salmon, a can of croissants, and some avocado. So we made a little healthy thing of it all and put it all together. Presentation is everything. Set it out. Breakfast was amazing. I'm popping my collar now and I'm saying, keep some stuff in your cupboard, girls. You never know when you're going to get one of those calls. Oh yeah, I always keep a $2 bag of grits in the cabinet, as well as some fruit for myself. You gotta have some fruit with the breakfast. Anyway, I threw it all together and made it work, and that was impressive.